The 2023 MG Hector facelift exterior leaked ahead of launch, and we're here to tell you everything there is to know about this fantastic SUV. Before we get into more details, we would like to remind you that we have an interesting bonus fact for you all towards the end of the video, so stay with us. With that being said, let's get into it. Hector's facelift is expected to happen on the 5th of January. The manufacturer has released some teasers of the upcoming SUV. However, now the exterior of the MG Hector facelift has been leaked on social media. The 2023 Hector will compete against the Tata Harrier, Hyundai Alcazar, Mahindra Scorpio N, and Mahindra XUV 700. MG is yet to officially confirm the engine options. However, we expect the new Hector to continue with the Fiat-sourced 2-liter diesel and the 1.5-liter petrol mills from the current model. This includes the hybrid models, along with the current transmission options, and a 6-speed manual gearbox is expected to be retained in the new version. MG has overhauled the interior with a new dashboard. Taking center stage is a 14-inch touchscreen, which is larger than the current 10.4-inch unit. The upper and lower sections of the dashboard are now distinctly separated by an insert section. The latter houses the aircon vents. Meanwhile, both sections feature soft-touch materials with double stitching. Most interestingly, it will also be equipped with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. As expected, the new upcoming MG Hector gets a bolder-looking grille at the front, which looks bigger than the current version of the SUV. Featuring dark chrome surrounds, the grille now has dark chrome diamond-studded inserts within it. The sleek, daytime-running LEDs positioned above look the same as before, with the dark chrome garnish below them stretching towards the grille. The headlamps have been restyled this time and have slanted edges all around, unlike the C-shaped housings in the presently available version of the Hector. However, like before, the headlamp housings continue to have LED projectors and LED fog lamps. The front bumper also gets a chrome-finished scuff plate at its bottom part. The new upcoming MG Hector looks almost the same when viewed from the side profile, with the same design for the door panels, front and rear fenders, chrome garnish at the bottom of the door panels, roof rails, and 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. The rear of the 2023 Hector has not been updated significantly. It gets a chrome strip between the tail lamps that extends throughout the width of the SUV. The rear bumper is new, which looks better than the current one. The name of the SUV is now spelled out on the tailgate instead of being a badge. In terms of dimensions, there will not be any change. The interior will be updated with a new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which will be placed vertically. It will be updated with a new user interface and iSmart technology. Moreover, the instrument cluster can also get updated with new graphics. The dashboard design will also be revised to look more modern. The 2023 Hector is also expected to come with an ADAS, or Advanced Driver Aid System. So there could be features like blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, stop-and-go traffic assist, rear cross-traffic detection, lane departure warning, lane keeps assist, and front collision warning. Thank you for staying with us, lovely viewers. It's now time to get into the much-awaited bonus fact. The Mark name originated from the initials of Morris Garages, William Morris's private retail sales and service company. The mark was in continuous use except for the duration of the World War, from its inception in 1924 until 2005, and then from 2007 under Chinese ownership. In the beginning, the mark was used predominantly for two-seater sports cars made at the MG Car Company factory in Abington, some 10 miles or 16 kilometers south of Oxford. What are your thoughts on the new facelift? Comment down below and let us know all about it. If you enjoyed this content, uplift the channel by hitting like, subscribe, and also ring the YT bell to meet us again in the following video. Until next time!